Hello guys, I am Gregorio B. McCarthy, a student of Taguluan Community College, taking up of professional education student. Well, I discuss briefly the importance of TQLR, metacognition learning strategy to the student through this chant. TQLR, T stand for tune in. Make sure we're ready, we relax. Q questions. Don't forget your lesson. Focus, sit properly, we'll discuss together. L is for lesson. Be ready, be prepared. R is to remember what topic to be discussed. So that this chant conclude is to develop our metacognition only in academic but also improve other behavior. It helps them to encourage and responsible their own learning and thinking. Thank you very much for your listening. God bless you.